Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So if you are also facing this problem and you are unable to proceed your transaction in your Apple ID in your device, here I will show you how can you fix it in your device. So first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So first of all, open settings in your device, and after this you have to open your Apple ID, and from here tap on payment and shipping and wait for some seconds here. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time in your device. So guys, here you can see this, I have already removed it. So guys, after removing your payment method for one time, go back and from here tap on sign in and security, and from here tap on change password and enter your passcode for your device. So guys, wait for some seconds again here and change the password for your Apple ID for one time. So I simply change the password, and after this go back again, and from here you have to sign out your Apple ID for one time in this device. So I simply sign out your Apple ID, and after this force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I simply force restart the device, and after this you have to add your payment method again after adding your Apple ID in your device. So I sign in your Apple ID again and add your payment method again. So guys, tap on payment and shipping and wait again for some seconds. So guys, add your payment method correctly from here. So I simply add your payment method again, and after this go back, and from here scroll it below and tap on general and tap on software update. So guys, update your device to the latest version, and after this check if your problem has been fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then you have to contact the Apple support team on your device. So guys, in this way you can easily fix this problem. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.